Did you know that the Eureka diamond was the first diamond ever found in South Africa? So the 4 C's of the diamonds are basically, I'd say, the characteristics of what defines a diamond, you know. So you have the first C, which is the cut, second C, which is the carat, third C, which is the color, and the fourth C, which is the clarity. Now, let me start with carat. Carat, basically, simple English means the weight of the stone. When you put it on the scale, what weight do you get? Could be a half a carat, a 1 carat, a 2 carat, a 3 carat. So it basically speaks to the size of the stone. The higher the carats, the bigger the stone, and the higher possibly the value of the stone, you know. The second C speaks about the color. Now, when it comes to the color of the stone, your highest color is basically colorless, which in the color scale of diamonds would be a D color, going all the way down to Z. And as you go down alphabetically, the stone starts to get a bit of a color, and mostly would be a bit yellowish or a bit brownish or something like that. But also you get what we call fancy colors, and these are colors that are very rare, that you would find very, very rarely once in a while. And these are your pinks, your reds, your blues, and so forth, you know. So that C specifically speaks to that part of the diamonds, which is the color. The third C is clarity. Clarity speaks to the flaws in the stone. So in most cases, some flaws you won't even be able to see them with your natural eye. So you would need either a loupe or a microscope to look into that, to be able to see whether there's any black or white spots or any glasses or anything, or any blemishes in the stone or anything like that, you know. And the fourth C speaks to the cut. Now, cut speaks to 2 things. One is the shape of the stone, which could be round, an oval, heart shape, usher cut, whatever different cuts that we have in the diamonds. But another thing that cut speaks to, which is very important, is the proportions. How is the stone polished? The angles, the symmetry of the stone, and so forth, which will speak to how much light the stone gets. Because a stone that is well cut, even though it may have certain flaws, you may miss those flaws because of how well cut the stone is. And all these 4 C's basically determine what sort of stone you have at hand. Even the price of the stone will be determined by the 4 C's.